What up, gang? What's up? We out here with the Jetta. It's been a while since we did a video on this car, but I just wanted to give y'all an update on the Jetta and things coming in the future. First off, we are gonna take this car onto the dyno to get some numbers. I know a lot of y'all want to know how much power this setup makes as much as I do, so we're gonna have a dyno day soon. But we are having problems with some boost and power loss, also possibly some mechanical failure. So before we head on to the dyno, we gotta get those fixed. So what caused all these problems? Well, last night I was gonna shoot a part 3 of some Jetta GT28r pulls, but before we rolled out, we shot some 2 steps at the meet. All fun and games until I heard some ticking coming from the engine bay. At first I thought it was raw knock, so at that point I was just done. I didn't go on the cruise, I just took it home just to be safe. And as I was going home, the ticking got louder, and also the idle has been acting up. Let me just start it up real quick to show you guys. So yup, a lot of ticking going on in the head. My guess is the cam chain tensioner, since they do fail, or maybe some issues with the lifters, maybe dried out or something. But we will know for sure once I get the valve cover off. Depending on what we find, it'll determine the next repair or project. Other than the head, the T25 to V-band exhaust housing adapter is completely It's warped as hell, and after all that 2-stepping, it blew out the gasket and left me with a massive exhaust leak. So right now I'm boosting at around 17 psi when usually it'll be around 22. If you can see, I tried patching it up with some muffler weld, but it didn't hold out from the 2-step. But I already found a solution. We are going to completely swap out the exhaust housing to a V-band. It'll eliminate the T25 adapter, so one less gasket to worry about. So let's pull off the valve cover and do an inspection. Everything looks normal, right? Till you see this. What the f is that? Well, there's our ticking source. Bruh. No! That lifter is trashed. And look at the lobe of the cam. Holy shit. No! Pretty much flattened out. I was pretty sure it was the tensioner, but damn. This head is no good. Well, now we know what's wrong. Luckily, I have the extra head from the spare motor. I thought it was gonna be an easy job, but looks like I got a lot of extra work going on. So from here, I guess you guys can keep an eye out for the head swap and turbo housing video, because we need to get this baby back out on the road. Mahalo guys for watching, stay tuned, see you guys next time.